So, hello guys, this is Saito vs Silencer for some reviews of my pocket weapons or what I used to bring every day. I don't bring it all at the same time, but I bring them whenever I think I use them, or anywhere. I bring them anywhere. It's my everyday carry weapon, so I hope you enjoy. So first, I'm going with my stun gun. This is a cell phone stun gun. I bought it in a flea market. So there you go. There has a switch here. So whenever you wanted to use it, this is very effective. You can just press this button. Yes. So it comes with a charger right over here. So just plug it there. So this is my first. This is one of the best weapon as recommended by many of self-defense people. The second is my pepper spray. So it's called wait. It's an eye protect pepper spray. So it's very effective. Used to spray some fools around in the Philippines. So this pepper spray. It's a very cool weapon, chemical weapon, non-lethal. Another weapon is this one. I don't really know what to call this weapon, but I think it's a one knuckle blade weapon or something. It comes with this, and you can hang it in your belt. See? So it looks like this. There. It looks quite like a kunai in Naruto. There. Put your finger here. Just to punch somebody's in the rib, the neck area, anywhere you want. Just in case of self-defense scenarios and fights. It's very effective. I used to buy this in a flea market. So, it's the single knuckle. Let's move on to some of my homemade weapons. So I used to bring them as well. So to start, this is my so-called Yawara stick. I used to cut it from a broom, the handle of a broom. Then I sandpapered it, varnished it, burned some parts so it will look like a iron stick. And there. You can hold this way. Use it to hammer fist someone. Also stab. As said in the Aiki Yawara Jutsu stuff. It's a very effective weapon. Very cool. It also stabilizes your hand for punching. Although I don't believe in punching in street fights. So very effective. As always, something you can put in your wallet, a small knife, something. I used to sharpen it because it's very dull. Then here, it's actually a two-bladed weapon. Yeah. You can also use it as a Yawara blade or something fancy like that. So it's very effective to hit. It's a puncture weapon actually. So there you go. And this is something everyone can do at home, but I think it's not that useful, but good for self-defense, especially concealed weapon self-defense. I actually made it from duct tape. This is actually coins. They're over there. Then I duct taped it and I measured it. This fits my hand well. good for slapping people in the head, face, as they cannot see it. It's concealed. It's like you're just wearing a ring or something, but actually you have this stuff. So yeah. So just to review, I have my stun gun, my pepper spray, my kunai or single knuckle blade, my small Swiss knife, my invented weapon used to slap a bob slap or something like that. And a wire stick. So guys, please subscribe, and I want to hear from you, suggestions, or you can leave me video feedbacks or something. I'm open with that. So this is Scyther vs Silencer for some some everyday carry weapons that are safe and legal. So that's for now.